Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for angle relationship in circle. So given that OKO is the center of the circle, okay, and then the angle of BAC equal to 72. Calculate the size of the angle of BOC. Okay, this angle. This is interesting because this is angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So angle of BOC equal to twice of the angle circumference, which is angle of BAC. So to find that angle BOC is 2 multiplied by 72. So the angle of BOC equal to 144 degree. Next, number 2. Okay, in the diagram, okay, find the size of the following angles and giving the reason. P and O. Okay, this angle, look at it. They are reduced to the center. So here the isosceles triangle, if this is 15, here also gonna be 15. So this gonna be 15 degree. The reason is because of the isosceles triangle. Next, PON. Okay, this angle. Okay, this is 15. So 180 equal to PON plus by we got to 30 degree. So the angle of PON we minus by 30 degree both of side equal to 150 degree. Here is 150 degree. The reason is because the angles in a triangle total of 180. Next we got M and P. Okay, this angle M and P. So first, before we start, where is angle MON? Okay, let's find it here. Angle of MON, this angle. So MON plus by MOP. MOP, yeah, is equal to 150 degree. Here 150 degree. So here is, we don't know yet, MON. However, MOB is 70 degree. Right here to 150 degree. So the angle of MON equal to 80 degree. Let me delete it. Equal to 80 degree. Then we got MNO. Okay, MN. A moment. Here is MNO. Triangle MNO. Okay, MNO. What is the correlation of MNO? MO and M. Okay, this angle. Yeah. Here it is the angle. They are reduced, so they are isosceles triangle. So we can find it from here. Because this is isosceles, so angle of MO here equal to the angle of MNO here, this angle. So if they are 80, so like 150 and 180 plus by 2x. Okay, here equal to 80. So we got 2x equal to 100. So x equal to 50. So it's gonna be 50 degree. Okay, we got it from here. Almost close. Then we need to cut it from here. This angle. We minus it by 15, as we got it from here. P and O is 15. So here is gonna be, let me write it, the answer is 35 degree. So the angle MON is 80 degree because N the triangle, MNO in isosceles. Yeah, isosceles is the angle. Okay, don't have enough space. Okay, let me write it. So the angle, angle of NMO equal to angle of MNO. We found it from here, equal to 50 degree. So MNP is gonna be 50 degree minus by 15. Okay, the last, let's find it P. Where is P? M, N. Here, P, M, N. P, O, N, P, O, N. Okay, as we got it from here, P, O, N. Let's take a break. So to look at here, I will use here. It's pretty easy. So PMN, P, M, and N. P, M, and N. Okay. So here is the angle of twice. Let's redraw it. We can draw it from here. So if this is 150, so in front of it is a half of it, 75. So we can help another 75. And PMN, okay, so PMN is PMN plus by 75 degree because they are opposite. It's gonna be 180 degrees. So P angle of PMN equal to 180 minus by 75, which is 105 degrees. So here is 105 degree. Yeah, the reason I just wrote it before. Okay, O is the center. Here is the center. Calculate the angle of ACD. Okay, this angle. So we can see from here, ACD and ABD. Yes, you can see they are angle in the same segment. So if this is 55, it's also gonna be 55. So let me write this is 55 degree because they are angles in same segment. Next, AOD. AOD. Okay, AOD. Okay, just a double of 55, which is 110 degree because the angle at center twice angle at circumference. Twice center. Yeah, that is twice. We write it, rewrite twice. Okay, next we need to find it angle BDC. Okay, we got B, D, and C. Okay, this angle. So as we can see, angle of here, angle of A, B, and D, this is equal to angle A, C, and D. So first, let us write the reason. So the angle of ABD equal to angle of ACD because they are the same in segment. So the segment are same. And so the opposite of angle, so the opposite angles of intersection lines, yeah, we can see AC and BD as the third angle of the same. So if this is 25, here also gonna be 25, the intersecting. So let's write it 25 degree. Okay, number 4, we need to calculate the cycle quadrilateral. So first we can get it DAB here. So DAB equal to, okay, guys, the whole is 180, so we can make 180 degree minus by 115 degree. So angle of DAB equal to 65 degree. So let us write it here, 65 degree. So what else information can we get? So if this is 65 degree, and then we can make it the ADC. Yeah, later on for ADC, here, opposite of it. So the total of opposite, so the angle of, yeah, DCB, okay, total of the opposite angle, if there are 4 of them touch the circumference, the total is gonna be 180. So we can just make it here 180 degree, we minus by 165 degree, so it's gonna be 115 degree. Okay, what else information can we got? Look at it, they are parallel. So if this is 115, here also it's gonna be, yeah, 115 degree. So we can write it ADC is gonna be 115 degree. If this is 115 degree, opposite of it is gonna be 65. So angle ABC is gonna be 65 degree.